Hi, I'm Ben,
And I'm Scott.
and we're here to introduce you to Haven.
As a service professional, your business is to solve problems for your customers.
But indoor air quality is a particularly difficult problem to solve.
What measurements should you be using? What are your customers sensitive to?
What equipment should you be installing? How do you know if your solution is legitimate or if it could become a liability to your business?
At Haven, we believe that you can't manage what you can't measure.
And you can't just measure once, as our indoor environments are always changing.
To properly manage IAQ, you also can't just measure. Your solution needs to take action automatically and with proof.
You need certainty that your IQ strategy is actively solving IQ problems for your customers 24/7, 365.
Haven is your tool to transform this complex landscape of problems into recurring revenue opportunities.
And what is Haven, you might ask?
Haven is a brand new technology platform exclusively available to the Pro channel that combines modular hardware devices with a software suite that is built to last the lifetime of the home's HVAC system.
With the Haven Central Air Monitor, we've reimagined air quality monitoring from the ground up. This solid-state monitoring device combines a multitude of sensors to detect particles, chemicals, temperature, relative humidity, and airflow in the whole home instead of just one room.
The monitor's installation process is similar to a UV light, taking less than 30 minutes to install and provision to the homeowner's Wi-Fi, where the data is uploaded to the cloud for long-term storage and analysis.
And the automation counterpart to the Haven Monitor is the Central Air Controller, a modular dry contact solution that responds to the monitor's air measurements throughout the whole home.
The controller is the perfect upgrade for any non-communicating HVAC equipment to automate filtration, ventilation, and humidity controls for your customers' homes.
Think of it as on-demand IQ controls, similar to those found in a commercial building, but at a fraction of the cost.
Don't just take our word for it, though. At Haven, we've set up a personal use program, or PUP for short, for you to purchase evaluation devices directly through our Pro web portal. So head on over to pro.haveniq.com to purchase your PUP devices and turn your own home into a living lab.
And while living with Haven, your own IQ experiments will become powerful sales assets to demonstrate the value of ecosystem to your own customers. And once you have Haven installed in your customers' homes, you'll be able to use the Pro Portal to monitor their air quality remotely, receive alerts, and generate reports.
And if you need any help in solving IAQ problems for a homeowner, you can contact the Haven Contractor Success Team and we'll get you sorted. Become a Haven Pro today to turn your customers into lifelong, satisfied, and healthy clients.
Take your business beyond comfort with Haven.